Are you struggling to earn money without any skills? Or perhaps you have a few skills, but they are not enough to reach your financial goals. If you have a phone or laptop with internet, then we have a solution for you. Introducing 5 proven techniques to earn money without any skills. Let's delve into the main problem, not having the necessary skills to earn money. Many people find themselves in this predicament, unsure of how to make a living without a specific expertise. It can be frustrating and disheartening, especially when you see others succeeding in their careers. But fret not, as we have the answer to your dilemma. Our solution is based on 5 key techniques that have been proven to generate income, even without specialized skills. First, we will explore the world of free Facebook marketing. With billions of users on this social platform, it provides an incredible opportunity to reach a vast audience and promote products or services. We will guide you through the process of setting up a Facebook business page, creating engaging content, and utilizing various marketing strategies to maximize your reach and drive sales. Next, we will dive into the realm of blog writing. Whether you have a passion for a specific niche or simply enjoy expressing your thoughts and ideas, blogging can be an excellent way to monetize your writing skills. We will teach you how to set up a blog, develop compelling content, and monetize it through advertisements, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Another technique we will cover is email marketing. Despite being around for decades, email marketing remains a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and generate sales. We will show you how to build an email list, craft engaging newsletters, and leverage automation to streamline your efforts. The best part? It doesn't require any specific skills, just a willingness to learn and follow our proven techniques. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another crucial aspect of online marketing that we will explore. By understanding how search engines rank websites and optimizing your content accordingly, you can significantly increase your online visibility and attract more organic traffic. We will demystify the world of SEO and equip you with the knowledge and tools to improve your website's ranking and drive targeted traffic to your offerings. Last but not least, we will delve into the realm of content creation. In today's digital age, high-quality content is in high demand, and businesses are willing to pay for it. Whether you enjoy writing, graphic design, video editing, or creating engaging social media posts, there are endless opportunities to monetize your content creation skills. We will share platforms and strategies to help you showcase your work and connect with clients who are eager to pay for your talent. By implementing these 5 proven techniques, you can unlock a world of possibilities and start earning money without any specialized skills. All you need is a phone or laptop with an internet connection, and the willingness to put in the effort and learn. Imagine the financial freedom and flexibility that comes with being able to generate income on your terms. So, are you ready to take the leap and start earning money without any skills? Take action now and join our program to learn the techniques that will change your financial future. Don't let lack of skills hold you back any longer. Start your journey to financial freedom today and embrace the opportunities that await you.